If she can't handle an interview, then she can't handle certainly President Xi of China. President Putin, he would have never done it. She can't handle anything, but she's not equipped for that. She's not a president. She'll get overwhelmed, melt down, and millions of people will die. You're going to die. This is not a charity event. This is an election for the biggest and toughest job anywhere in the world. This is the toughest job in the world. So do you want to lose your life savings because we put a weak and foolish and incompetent person in the White House? I don't think so. Do you want to lose your job and maybe your house and pension because Kamala has the economic understanding of a child? The presidency is a job held by Teddy Roosevelt, Abraham Lincoln, Dwight Eisenhower, George Washington, and even Ronald Reagan, people of strength